Stay till the end to find out what you need to clear your acne. Let's start with the trashiest ingredients that you might be using. Hopefully you're not using. हमारा पहला ingredient है lemon juice. This definitely goes in the F tier. बहुत ज़्यादा irritation करता है आपको और कोई benefit नहीं होता है इसका. Second ingredient है rubbing alcohol. This can actually cause so much inflammation that you have to go to the dermatologist. Another trash ingredient, apple cider vinegar. एकदम बकवास, कोई मतलब नहीं है. Last trash ingredient that people might be using is toothpaste. Worst ingredient ever. It's not an ingredient. Surprise. Now let's move on to the C class. You know, these are some things which might help you in the short term, but long term mein not working. Let's move on to C tier. शायद काम करें. First ingredient we have is charcoal. Not good for the long term. Irritates the shit out of your skin. And then we have missile water. Missile water में coconut oil होता है, castor oil, जिस भी चीज़ से बना रहे हो आप, it really hydrates your skin and give it that nice soft feeling, which helps it fight against acne. But as such कोई special anti-acne properties नहीं है इसकी. C tier में last ingredient हमारा sulfur. Not that great, but it works sometimes for some people, but long term में हमेशा irritation ही देता है, and you are so gonna develop an allergy to this. Now we move on to B tier. Might just work for you. So, our first ingredient in B tier is witch hazel extract. Now, I've seen this work for many people personally. That's why मैंने इसे यहाँ लगाया है. People say it's not going to work for you, this, that, but I have personally seen people have cured their acne with this in a minute number of cases. That's why I'm putting it here. इन सब चीज़ों से आज तक किसी ने कुछ क्योर नहीं किया. अगर आप one of those people हैं जो दही वाला मास्क लगाते हैं, then you might be on the right track, but I wouldn't be really confident in that. I have not seen many people cure it. Another ingredient which sometimes works is azelaic acid. Now, something to remember is ये सब चीज़ें ज़्यादातर combination में होती हैं with the ingredients जो ऊपर आएंगे. So, अगर ये ऊपर वाले ingredients के साथ combination में है तो they might be being used for anti-inflammatory properties, which they have a lot of. बेंजोइल पेरोक्साइड को मैं पहले ए में लगाने वाला था, बट द रीजन मैं उसे बी में लगा रहा हूँ इज बिकॉज आप इसे अपने फेस पे उतना ज्यादा नहीं लगा सकते हैं. 10% बेंजोइल पेरोक्साइड सोल्यूशन प्लस सैलिसिलिक एसिड इज द गो टू फॉर्मूला फॉर बॉडी एक्ने, बट फेस एक्ने के लिए आई डोंट नो कितना. सो आई एम गोना पुट इट समवेयर इन बिटवीन बोथ ऑफ दीज, ना समवेयर अराउंड हियर. And the last B tier ingredient is tea tree oil. Now इसकी anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties बहुत अच्छी हैं, but थोड़ा सा allergic है. That's why it's not in the A tier. इसलिए ये B tier में ही रह गया बेचारा. And now we move on to the ingredients जो actually में आपके acne के against work करते हैं. And these are the ingredients which I personally swear by. So the first one, and this is not good from my part क्योंकि मेरे को इसको इन दोनों के बीच में लगाना पड़ेगा, is salicylic acid. Salicylic acid को बीच में इसलिए लगाना पड़ेगा because honestly it's S tier if it suits you. But the thing with this is it doesn't work very well for dry skin. So if you have dry skin and acne, then this is not an ingredient for you. Your oily skin only ka ingredient hai. That's why I'm going to put it somewhere in between these. But other than that, it's totally an S-class ingredient. The second ingredient is zinc in your diet. This works to kill your acne. Trust me on this. Zinc in your diet is going to kill your acne till no end. Green tea tree extracts, also in A tier. Very good for your acne, trust me on this. And now we move on to the S tier, the holy grail of anti-acne ingredients. Salicylic acid already आधा पहुंच चुका है वहाँ पे, because oily skin के लिए salicylic acid is a must when curing acne. Now उसके अलावा we have 3 ingredients which you waited till now for. So let me tell you what those are. The first one is retinoids. Now this is not retinol, this is retinoids, like retinol. Now this doesn't mean retinol, this means tretinoin and the other vitamin A derivatives, isotretinoin and all that stuff, which a dermatologist gives you. Retinol does not cure acne. We have a video about that, you can check it out right now. It must be on your screen right now. But retinol does not cure acne. Retinol actually works 5% on acne as compared to 35% reduction with salicylic acid. Studies हो चुकी हैं इस चीज़ पे. But isotretinoin and all this other stuff which dermats recommend to you, they work so well. They work so well. इसलिए retinoids तो 100% S class में ही जाएंगे. The next is an Ayurvedic ingredient in English called Centella asiatica. This आपकी जितनी पुरानी एक्ने की दवाइयाँ सब में ये होता है. इंग्लिश दवाइयाँ, हिंदी दवाइयाँ, doesn't matter, ये तो होता ही होता है. और अगर ये नहीं है, then maybe that's not one of the legendary दवाई which you should be putting, because this is actually that effective. And the last ingredient that we have, which perhaps is the most effective ingredient which you will ever find for acne, is niacinamides. Now ऐसा क्यों? we're gonna have a video coming up about that soon. But and this is not really well documented, but I have seen people, मैंने testers बनवाए थे with niacinamides and a bit of salicylic acid, and it worked at least twice as well than just using salicylic acid. So why this happens, we're going to be doing the research and bringing the whole thing to you soon. But this is the new secret ingredient जो market में आने वाला है for acne. So you need to check niacinamides out if you have acne. And don't forget, लगाने वाले niacinamides अलग होते हैं, कभी कभी प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है, पर डाइट में आपको niacinamides हमेशा ही रखने होंगे. अपने leafy greens and mangoes and eggs, all that stuff gives you niacinamides. Thank you so much for checking this out. See you again. Peace.